In this video, we're going to show you how to export a project from BrainLeaf into Jira. Once you've completed your project and you have hours, assignments, card types, descriptions, and anything else you want to add into the project, and you're ready to move it into your project management system, all you'll do is click on the Export button up here at the top right. From here, you'll select Export to Jira. As you know, Jira is a robust system and has a lot of ways of managing projects. The top ways that Jira has are Strum, Kanban, Agility, bug tracking, and of course you can also set a custom system, a custom implementation, because there are a large number of ways to set up Jira. So we're going to start with Scrum. With Scrum, first deselect whichever cards you don't want added into the system. So for example, if I don't want the services section of this website, then I might deselect services and all of the items underneath. However, in this case, I'm not going to do that. Next, we're going to click on the Download Jira Files button at the bottom of the page. And you can see we just downloaded this company demo CSV and the Jira configuration number 4 because I've done this 4 times for this video so far. Now, we're going to come into Jira and we're going to start a new project in a new way. We're not going to click on this Create Project button like you might normally do. Instead, we're going to click on System, and from Import Export, we're going to click External System Import. Now we're going to click on CSV. And then we're going to select the CSV that was just downloaded. So here we go. Here's the CSV. And we're also going to include the configuration file. There's the configuration file. There it is. And open that. All of the advanced fields are already taken care of, so no worries, nothing to worry about within advanced. Next, we'll click Next. I'm going to start a new project since I'm importing all of this information for a new project. So our new project, when we click that, let me close that again. When we come here, click the down arrow and click Create New. And from here, we're going to click the Scrum Software Development. If you recall, when we were exporting, we selected Scrum. If you had selected one of these others, then you would select the one that you had imported. Now I'm going to click Next. And we're going to give this new project a name. We'll call it BL Export Demo 1. Okay, and click Submit. So the new project will be created. All this other information is correct and set up within the configuration file. Okay, now we can see that our card ID moves to our issue ID, description to description, etc. And one important thing is that BrainLeaf has time in hours and minutes, but we transfer this to time in seconds because that's what Jira requires. Now we're going to go ahead and click Next again and begin the import. It may take a couple minutes sometimes for projects to import, depending upon their size and the speed that Jira is running at the moment. If you use Jira often, you probably know that speed can be up or down depending upon how busy their servers are. All right, there we go. We've got one project and 120 issues imported successfully. Now, Jira does not give you a link to the project, which is a little annoying, but we can go ahead and click on our project tabs here and then go through and take a look and see if we can find our new project in the Jira listing. Should be right here on page 2. And there it is, BL Export Demo 1. So I'm going to select this item. And here we've got all of our projects, all of our stories, and the epics assigned to them. So you can see here the project-wide tasks and notes, the contact page, our work page, home page, header, footer, etc. Oh, services, I think companies in there. There you go, and company. If we click on one of these, let's click on one that should have some time assigned to it. Maybe the staff listing. So within the staff listing, we'll have 2 subtasks, the programming for this page and the quality assurance for this page. Of course, we've got our description. It is unassigned, and we have no story points and no original time, just for the top level items, only for the subtasks. And you can click here for more fields, but there's nothing here. And at JH Media Group, we use Harvest for our time tracking, so you can see this Harvest button, but this would not normally be there unless you had Harvest implemented, the Harvest plugin implemented. So let's take a look at this programming CMS integration piece. Once again, reporter's me, it's unassigned, and we've got 2 hours and 30 minutes assigned to this particular item. So whenever someone is time tracking, if they were to click on time tracking here or log time within Jira, it would log against this original estimate. And this will help you a lot by helping understand how above or below you are in your estimates in Jira versus what you had originally estimated. So the only thing left to do in this project would be to set up perhaps timelines, assign people, and start a new sprint. So that is the export into Jira from BrainLeaf. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you so much. Have a great day.